The PiNetwork IOU token price has remained flat at a key support level as developers prepare to launch the mainnet. Pi coin was trading at the psychological level of $50, significantly lower than its November high near $100. The main catalyst for the sell-off has been the ongoing delay in the mainnet launch. Developers initially postponed the first grace period for Know Your Customer verification from November 31st to December 31st. In December, they pushed the grace period again to January 31, citing that millions of pioneers had yet to migrate their tokens to the mainnet. At the time, over 18 million members had completed KYC verification, but only 8 million had moved their tokens to the mainnet. According to the mainnet launch guidelines, the process can only continue when at least 10 million users have migrated their tokens. In a statement on January 5, developers noted that over 9 million users had now completed the migration, increasing the chances of hitting the 10 million threshold by January 31. If all goes well, the developers expect the mainnet launch to happen in the first quarter of 2025, likely in February or March. Moving to the mainnet will open the PiNetwork ecosystem to a broader audience and allow pioneers to convert their Pi coins into fiat currencies after years of mining. The mainnet launch will also enable users to test about 80 community-created applications. Some of these mainnet-ready apps include Map of Pi, Pi Game, Care for Pi, and One Pi Mall. Notably, Map of Pi lists sellers worldwide who accept Pi coin. PiNetwork's vision has always been to create a more accessible cryptocurrency than Bitcoin BTC minus 4.8% Bitcoin. Its unique approach allows Pi to be mined on smartphones, with the goal of global business acceptance. However, there remains a risk that the mainnet launch could be delayed again, as has occurred multiple times in the past. It's important to note that these predictions are speculative. The actual performance of Pi coin post-mainnet launch will depend on various factors, including user adoption, market sentiment, and overall cryptocurrency market conditions. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.